Here at the Walt Disney Studios, our animators and artists are hard at work finishing our 31st all-new animated film, Aladdin. And here's a sneak peek at this very special musical adventure.
Well, Alibaba had them 40 thieves. Scheherazade had 1,000 tales.
It's filled with wonderful new Disney characters and 6 new songs from the Academy Award-winning team of The Little Mermaid and Beauty and the Beast.
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Join Aladdin and his magic lamp on the most exciting magic carpet ride ever. Don't miss the fun.
Wow.
Coming to theaters for Thanksgiving 1992 from Walt Disney Pictures.
Ain't never had a friend like me.
And now, our feature presentation.
You know, Daddy, this is my very best birthday.
But I haven't given you your present yet.
What is it? What is it?
No, close your eyes. Oh, no peeking now.
Oh, Daddy, you made this just for me?